Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a kite. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our kite, I'm going to begin right here and we're going to make a nice little diagonal line. So we'll start by just making a little line that's going to come down. And once we do that, then we're going to make a line that's going to come down here a little bit longer. We want this line to be longer at the bottom. Starting here, we're going to make another little diagonal line that comes out here. And then we're going to make this line come down to here. Next, I want to connect this. Starting here, we're going to give him a little face for our kite. So we're going to make a nice circle shape right here. Want to leave some space, and we'll make another circle shape over here for the other eye. I'm going to make a black dot in each one for the pupil. And right here we're going to make a little line that's going to curve down and up. I'm going to come around here and connect it for a mouth, with a little curved line in here for the tongue. Then I'm just going to color this part in for the mouth. Starting right here at the end, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come up. It's going to go down and it's going to come right to here. Next, we're going to make some little ribbons on the ends. We just want to make some lines that go up, over, and down. Do the same thing here, down, over, and then up. And you just want to place these all along the string of your kite. You don't have to add these, these just kind of add a little bit more detail and make the string look a little bit more interesting. So I'm just going to add some of these little details all around here. And we're just going to kind of fill up the string of our kite with all of these. So I'm just going to put a few more right around here. And then I'll just put one more right here at the bottom. Next, starting here, I'm going to add a little line that's going to come down. It's going to jump over and then come right to here. And I'm going to do the same thing right here by the face, just a little line that comes right across. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little cartoon kite. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed.